Hello everyone, welcome back. Another trading day. I really have zero creativity with the introduction. Market just opened. NQ, it's about to take London high, and also it hit Monday's low as well. It looks like we're going to get the first percent fair value gap really quick after only 3 minutes of market open. But only on NQ, because ES it's behaving different. This is ES. And this is NQ now. It keeps rallying. Yes, it's about to take Monday's low and also close the gap with yesterday close into its open. Dawn, very weak ES. Now, we have yesterday close at 66.25 and Monday's low at 66.5. So that's it. Look how the 15 minutes on NQ looks, and look at ES. This is ES and this is NQ. Completely different. Is that good? Bad? It just is. So NQ keeps pushing higher. ES looks like it found supports on Monday's low and yesterday close. However, that 5-minute on ES, it closed on its high, but immediately, look, we have no wick, nothing. As soon as this 5-minute candle open, sellers step in. Therefore, that support that I mentioned that I thought ES found on Monday's low or yesterday close, it wasn't enough. It looks like it was more like traders taking profit than actually traders buying down there. Five more minutes for macro, let's see, because ES kept selling off and NQ it's holding and respecting previous 5-minute low. So there is nothing bearish on NQ as of now. I was thinking that maybe if I want to go long, I should enter on NQ. However, if I want to enter short, I should enter on ES because ES is the weakest one. Now ES looks like it's kind of reversing. And obviously that it's fueling NQ, but NQ didn't need that much because since market open NQ has been rallying. Hey, how's it going, MNS? How you doing? Yeah, I took a little break from live streaming. I kept trading, however, I kind of feel like taking a little break. But yeah, I'm back. How you been? As you say. We'll see if price wants to come down here to 37. And if you want to, then I'll enter with 2 contracts. Looking for more upside, targeting 159. Look at what ES did.
Order submitted.
Cuando pueda mostrar lo que tengo en mi perfil, hablamos. Soy asesor financiero. Muy bien. ¿Qué es lo que tienes en tu perfil? I can say that this has been new learning things and trades and journaling have been part of it.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
My target is at 159. My stop loss is below this swing low. Are you trading same way? Same way, brother. Same way. I haven't changed anything. The only change I did after 2 months, it's I took out the Mondays. That it's my first change in my trading. Not trading on Mondays. Other than that, it's the same. Trading with the trend. The risk and reward is the same, 1-to-1. I'm already over 100 trades. That's good. That's good data. But I'm not planning on sitting down one weekend and figure it out all at once. I will go step by step. The first step was taking out Mondays. Now I should see an improvement in the journal because all my Mondays were red. So if I was losing $500 a week, then I should be losing now 300. Previous week high, it's at 168 right here. This week price opened above previous week high. So on Mondays we hit it, price drop and hit it, and then went up. Tuesday again, open above it. And this is the first time we price open below previous week high. And now we're hitting it. Let's see if price finds something here, or if we already missed this move. I think the move it's already done. So expecting price to drop from here, from this high to my entry level, it's not a good signal for my upside. That's why I think my idea it's already invalidated here. It's price went up too much. It's almost 40 points. And it did a small pullback. It was not enough for me, for my order to get filled, but it closed this gap and moved up. So yeah, it looks like my idea it's already invalidated. So I'm going to close my toss execution. So when price was here, ES was also hitting London high. So I was expecting a little bit of an aggressive move to the downside. And it wasn't that aggressive. That's what happened. Maybe if ES didn't hit anything, didn't have anything to the upside, maybe I would have entered here. But I don't know. Probably. We'll see next time. Next thing I have on NQ to the upside, it's Monday's high. Actually, yeah, Monday's high first and then yesterday high. Monday's high is at 252, yesterday high it's at 264. I didn't feel like being aggressive today, especially with ES opening. This is ES. ES open here, drop, 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 while NQ was rallying. So it wouldn't surprise me a deeper pullback than this. That's what I was waiting for, but it didn't happen. NQ keeps pushing higher and higher. ES is now following, so I don't have anything strong on this price until Monday's high and yesterday high. Three more minutes for this macro to end. Very strong, very nice. I like to be aggressive inside macro. There's not much to do here for me. Just watch and wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback. Only one down close candle NQ on the high time, on the 5-minute time frame. NQ is very, very strong. What are you guys watching? What are you thinking? It looks like one of those days where you can enter anywhere long and any long will work, right? Price is going parabolic. It looks like it's aiming to previous day high. Yeah, it looks like that's the only level I have to the upside. Monday's high, which is a little bit below yesterday high, 252. And yeah, yesterday high, it's at 264. This is somehow the hardest price action for me. It is the hardest price action because if price is on a range, price is balanced like this, and I don't take any trade, then I'll be like, oh, thank God I didn't see any opportunity. And I probably avoided a loss. You know, so it's good that I'm flat on the day. However, when I see a day like this, it always feels like I miss a trade. It always feels like I miss a move. It feels like that way, but I'm completely sure that I didn't. I don't see any of the setup that I like to enter here. But still, it feels like that. It looks so easy. It looks like no matter where you enter, you can never go wrong. That's why I say this is one of the hardest price action for me. Because most of my setups, they need a pullback. Maybe a 2-leg pullback. Something like that. Or maybe not even 2-leg, but a little bit, the first one, a little bit deeper. And especially inside macro. But as we can see here, this was the only small pullback that price did as soon as market opened. But after that, that's it. If I didn't get here, I placed my order down here. If I didn't get a chance to enter here, that's it. It's done for me. I'm out today, bro. The fuck's going on? Right? How's it going, Benji? How you doing, man? I'm doing good. I wasn't also expecting. I usually don't try to expect anything. But believe me, I was not expecting this huge move to the upside. Yeah, I even didn't put my level of just at the high. I didn't think price was able to go to just at the high. And look, it's actually closer to yesterday high than to yesterday low. Can't believe what I'm seeing this past few days, right? My strategy doesn't work with this PA. That's kind of crazy, PA, isn't it? I haven't heard anyone that say, oh, this is good. I'm glad prices are all-time high. This is the best scenario. I haven't heard anyone saying that. It's just all-time high is very different. It's just aiming all-time high every single day, right? But now imagine this sell-off here. Everyone is expecting price to take yesterday high. Price looks good, looks like it's going to. But it wouldn't surprise me, it's just... If price do a pullback here, I will enter for more upside, but I don't know. I think when price looks so easy, so straightforward, it kind of activate a like a worry system. At all time, just look for long, picking the top is not it. For me, when price is rallying like this, I will always go long. Unless we hit a key level, then I will hold my horses. But no, I will not try to pick a top. I already learned that lesson. It took me about a year, and I still have those feeling of wanting to, because that's the thing I always say, that's the thing with picking a top. If we pick it, let's say right now, pick it up. We put a stop loss here. Stop loss here, and look how much room we have to the downside. I think that's why we all want to do that, but thanks to my journal, I learned that this is not profitable for me. Did we trade anything today? Nothing. Yeah, it looks very inviting. Yeah. It looks like sexy. I like to call it sexy. It looks sexy. It looks like this is the one. No, I didn't take any trade. I was close. The closest I was to take one was here. I had a limit order at 37 when price was here, but the closest price went to my level was 42. This candle low is 42. My order was at 37. That's it. I missed the whole move. I wouldn't take the whole move. It would have been a 1-to-1 as well, like this. But yeah, that's it. And other than that, not a single pullback, nothing else. So no opportunity for me. It looks like price is taking a break. I don't have any key level around here, either on ES or NQ, which means I will keep looking for more upside. The 5 minute doesn't look bearish. There's nothing bearish about this chart. So I will keep looking for more upside. No trade, no stress. Because I don't trade too many trades on a day, max 3 trades. The closest I get to my end time, I stop trading at 11:30, 11. The closest I get to that time and I haven't taken a trade, I have to say kind of the worse I feel. The worse I feel because I know the window it's about to close. But I guess if there is no opportunity, there is not opportunity. That's it.
Order submitted.
I will enter long here. Target in 16. Stop loss below this swing low.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We didn't have a very strong close on that 5 minute. target's about to be hit.
Order canceled.
Target hit. Hey, thank you, Pizza Man. Appreciate it. This is the first trade of the day. This one worked right away. I wasn't in too much dragged down. A little bit here in this candle, but this candle even have an up close candle, so have you taken any trade today, Pizda? I see. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Yoshi. Really appreciate it. Very straightforward trade. It would work like 20% of them. This one actually moved right away. Right? Yeah. I think these trades are somehow dangerous because this is what I expect from every trade. And as soon as I see I'm on a trade and I see the funny business, I start to believe it's not going to work. Like If it was going to work, then it should be like this, right? I don't know. We have an SMT right here. NQ ES did take 5-day, whereas NQ hold below. See? Think we might hit all-time high today. I honestly don't know. I don't trade that way, but I'll tell you my opinion. I think it looks really easy. It looks like price it's going to all-time high, and when that happens, I like to be suspicious. But again, I enter here for more upside, and if we continue going up, then I'll keep looking for pullback for more upside. Two things for me to start looking for short. We have to start to look bearish, like candles closing on its low, 5-6 consecutive down close candle, or we took all-time high. And if we took all-time high, then I'm still looking for upside. for long. So, but to answer your question, do you think we might hit all-time high? I really don't know. I really don't know. I think price is heading that way. That's why I took long. But other than that, yeah, I'm thinking the same, to be honest. But it's not only with all-time high. Also, let's say we're in the middle of the range on the higher time frame, and we have just the yesterday low at 25,240. I would say the same. Do I think we're going to take yesterday high? I don't know. It looks like price is going that way. The trend is strong, so I'll look for more upside. But I don't. Since all my trade, I think this is why. I think this is why I think this way. All my trades are 1-to-1. Therefore, I don't need. If I enter here, I don't need price to take just at the high. Let's say I put my stop loss here. If I put my stop loss there, yes, I say it was on 240. Let's say I put it here. See, my target is here. So yeah. I know there are traders that they have that ability. They say, yes, we're going to this level, we're going to all-time high, we're going to yesterday high. And yeah, many times they hit the lottery, but I don't think they really know. I think there are two type of traders. Those who don't know, and those who don't know they don't know. I cannot say that I think price it's going to take all-time high and then risk 1% of my account. I think that answers everything. Everything is forecasting, honestly. The thing is that there are people that say that it's going to happen. But I agree, everything is forecasting. Like whether you might be right or wrong. I think there's no reason to try to be right or wrong. It's not about that. Like, for example, when I enter on a trade, do I think it's going to hit my target? Yeah, I don't see it that way. I don't see it that way. Because again, if I think it's going to hit my target, I wouldn't enter with 1% of my account. I think the risk you put in a trade speaks about how you feel about the trade. That's why I don't know. That's why I have to risk 1% or I have to risk this little, because I honestly don't know. And that's what I'm trying to say. No one can say they know what's going to happen. Oh, no, price is going this, or price is going this direction. Because if they know, they wouldn't be risking 1%. I wouldn't. It looks like price is taking a break. I like when macro it's about to start and price it's away from, in this case, high of day, because I could enter long expecting price to take high of day inside macro. Three more minutes for macro to open.
Order submitted. Order cancel. Order submitted. Order cancel.
Let's see. We have another SMT here. Price took, NQ took this low. Yes, Hassan. Not yet. And I might be looking to enter longs again here. 3 contracts.
Order submitted.
Hey, how's it going, Lizzie? Mentor of mentor. Probably. There has to be a time where I give up on this idea, so let's see. I don't want price to keep dropping. My target it's 207.
Order submitted.
And my stop loss it's 72. Two zero seven 25.25. What was that? I don't know what happened.
Target filled.
So target got filled. I was trying to open another chart and the app recognized the charts. But yeah, target fill. 2 trades today. That's it. I'm going to end it there. I have an extra bullet. Good job. Thank you, Ray. Appreciate it, brother. I have an extra opportunity, but it's, I think the day I do 2 trades and then I do a third one. It has to be, because still early. For me, it's enough for today. That's what I'm trying to say. This one was also very straightforward. Good. That's it. Thank you guys for passing by. I hope everyone have a good day. That's it. I'm going to end it here. Take care.